Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and according to my watch, it is 82 degrees here in sunny North Fort Myers. And today I'm going to be doing an install of these American flag fender vent overlays for this 2024 Ford Raptor Ranger. Sorry, I haven't been saying that a lot. As you can see on the other side, it is normal, not covered right there. I'm going to flip this vehicle around so the sun isn't hitting on it, because when the sun hits on vinyl and also when these panels are warm, it stretches out really easily. I'm going to be doing something that I don't usually do. I'm going to be doing a dry install. And dry installs just require a lot more alignment, focus, and whatnot, because you aren't going to be able to move them around as much. If it is cool, you can lift them to a certain extent. You'll probably see me do that in the next few minutes. However, a wet install is usually what I prefer for novices. We have Sticker Fab application fluid. You can also use a few drops of dish soap mixed with about a cup of water, and then you wet the surface and you wet the vinyl, and then you install it and you kind of squeegee it all out, push all that water out and allow it to dry. You can use light heat once you get it down, or you could park it back in the sun and push those edges down, because in some of these places where it's stretch and the indentions, it's going to take a little bit more work to get it down. But I think with a dry install, I'll be able to do it in just a couple of minutes. Let's go get that vinyl and see if what I say was true. All right, so you're going to want to do this install in about 70-degree or warmer weather. The vinyl just reacts the best. First, you're going to want to clean this. I'm using a spray detailer that has no wax in it. You'll want wax on the surface of the vent, in between the vent and the overlay. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a dry install with this. You can watch a lot of my other videos and they'll detail how to do a wet install. You'll want to make sure your hands are clean, and then kind of get on eye level with the vent and just line up the front edge. Because if you line up the front edge, everything else will fall into place. So there's the front edge. Now I'm going to push through the center, because there's that indentation right here. This does have air egress channels, so you can see this bubble. I'm actually able to push it out, massage it a little bit if it bunches up. I should have started at one end and then kind of pushed the bubble all the way through. If I want, I can lift it right here, come back to that little bubble and push it back down. Since I've already pushed the center down, everything should line back up pretty well. You can guide the vinyl a little bit too. And this is why we clean our hands. Sometimes we'll wind up touching the back of the vinyl a lot. I'm going to push down. So I could have moved it forward a little bit. I have this little bit of tail on the trail edge. I'm just going to use my fingernails. I'm going to push that around the edge of the vent. And there you go. The install is done. It's the dry install of our American flag fender vent overlays for your 2024 and up Ford Ranger Raptor.